Hello, my name is Rimantas. I'm yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today I'm going to show you how to play mantra Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare. I will show you two different ways how to play this mantra, and you can take the one that more beautiful for you. We need capoduster on fret number 4. Let's start. Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom, and so on. We can repeat this mantra as many times as we want. So now the chords of this verse. There is only two chords, chord AM and chord G. Now let's try to together. Chord AM. Jaya Shiva G Shankara AM Boom Boom G Hare Hare AM Jaya Shiva G Shankara AM Boom Boom G Hare Hare AM Hare Hare G Hare Hare AM Boom Boom G Hare Hare AM Hare Hare G Hare Hare AM Boom Boom G Hare Hare, and again Jaya Shiva. Let's try together a little bit slower. Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva, and so on. So this is the first verse how we can play this mantra. Another one is we have a little bit more chords. Now second verse. Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare Hare Jaya Shiva Shankara Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom Boom Hare 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 Boom now I will show you the chords of this verse. AM, Jaya Shiva, G, Shankara, F, Boom Boom, G, Hare Hare, AM, Jaya Shiva, G, Shankara, F, Boom Boom, G, Hare Hare, AM, Hare Hare, G, Hare Hare, F, Boom Boom, G, Hare Hare, AM, Hare Hare, G, Hare Hare, F, Boom Boom, G, Hare Hare. Let's try to play it together. Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom. Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare. Okay, so those basically are the two ways how we can play this mantra. Of course, we can play it with fingers. If we can play first verse, it means we have only two chords, A, M and G, and we need to take those strings. When we take A, M chord, second, third, fourth and fifth string, and on the G chord, first, third, fourth and fifth. And we can play it all the time. Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare. If we play second verse, we play AM, the same, second, third, fourth and fifth string, then G, third, fourth and fifth string, F, third, fourth and fifth, then G, first, third, fourth and fifth string, and repeat it all the time. Now one more thing, you can play this mantra a little bit faster, for example like that. First version. Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva Shankara, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Boom Boom, Hare Hare, Jaya Shiva. Second version, the same. Jaya Shiva Shankara Bom Bom Hare Hare. Jaya Shiva Shankara Bom Bom Hare Hare. Hare 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 Bom Bom Hare Hare. Hare 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 Bom Bom Hare Hare. Jaya Shiva Shankara Bom Bom Hare Hare. Jai Shiva Shankara Bom Bom Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Jaya Shiva Shankara Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Jaya Shiva Shankara Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Jaya Shiva Shankara Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Jai Shiva Shankara Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Bom Bom, Hare Hare. Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Bom Bom, Hare Hare. If you have any other questions, feel free to write it in the comments below. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.